I see how fast everybody learned here, and I'm just impressed. So, and I saw also collaboration in between each of us, and I saw people grow like flower, especially our flower right there, Sharon. It's amazing transformation. She's not the same from day one, and I can say the same, I think, for every one of us. So a big thank for the participants that were so fantastic, and also for the team. And I have a word for a special lady that made it possible for me to join Speaking Empire, the most fantastic organization I've been with since the very beginning of my life. And I really thank Caroline to make the difference the day she called me.
Yay.
So thank you, Caroline.
All right.